The Supreme Court, in an interim order on Tuesday, directed that there should be no demolition without its permission of properties of persons just because they are accused of being involved in a crime. A two-judge bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Viswanathan said, and I quote, "Till next date there should be stay on demolition without leave of court," and added that it was passing the direction in exercise of its powers under Article 142 of the Constitution. The bench clarified that the direction will not apply to removal of unauthorized constructions on public streets, footpaths, railway lines, or water bodies. As the bench was hearing pleas which alleged that some states were carrying out demolitions of houses of persons accused of involvement in crimes, Justice Viswanathan remarked, and I quote, "Even if there is one instance of illegal demolition, it is against ethos of the Constitution." Solicitor General Tushar Mehta objected to the court passing such a direction, saying it will tie the hands of statutory authorities. He submitted that those whose constructions were demolished were already issued notices in the past, and it so happened that they committed other crimes in the meanwhile. But it is not correct to say the demolition is linked to their involvement in the crime. However, the bench questioned the timing and asked why the authorities suddenly acted in 2024 only. Fixing the matter for hearing next on October 1st, it said that heavens will not fall if the demolitions are not carried out for 2 weeks. Justice Gavai said, "Stay your hands, nothing will happen in 15 days. The judge said the court had already made it clear that it will not come in the way of removing unauthorized constructions and added, quote unquote, "but the executive can't be judge." Mehta also said there is an attempt to build a narrative that a specific community is being targeted. But Justice Viswanathan said, "Outside noise not influencing us, and we won't get into the question of which community at this point." Hearing the matter on September 2nd, the Supreme Court had said it will lay down pan-India guidelines to take care of concerns in this regard. The main plea in the matter related to the demolition drive against unauthorized constructions in Delhi's Jahangir Puri area soon after communal violence in 2022. The petitioners pointed out that many state governments were increasingly resorting to the use of bulldozers to demolish properties of people accused in crimes.